Disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. The views expressed are personal opinions based on publicly available data. Green Tea Investment is not a SEBI-registered advisor. Please do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Spandana Sphoorty, a leading microfinance institution in India, is making headlines. The company empowers rural communities, especially women, by providing small loans to start businesses. Now, Spandana Sphoorty has announced a rights issue, a special offer for existing shareholders to buy more shares. A rights issue helps the company raise capital, often signaling confidence in future growth. The funds raised may expand its loan book, strengthen its capital, or invest in technology. For shareholders, this is a chance to buy new shares, often at a discount. It's a way for the company to reward loyal investors and invite them to participate in its next phase of growth. Understanding how a rights issue works is key to making the most of this opportunity. If you own shares, this announcement is for you. Let's break down what a rights issue means and how you can benefit. Here's what you need to know. A rights issue is a company's invitation to its current shareholders to buy additional shares, usually at a discounted price. Think of it as a special coupon called a rights entitlement, RE, that lets you buy more shares based on how many you already own. For example, if you own 10 shares, you might get one RE, allowing you to buy one new share at a lower price. You're not obligated to participate, but the offer is exclusive to existing shareholders. If you don't want to buy more shares, you can sell your REs on the stock exchange and make some money. Or, if you want more than your entitlement, you can buy extra REs from others. The discounted price is the main attraction, making it a potentially profitable opportunity. Rights issues help companies raise funds while giving loyal investors a reward. Flexibility is key. Buy, sell, or ignore. It's your choice. Let's look at the specifics for Spandana Sphoorty. Only shareholders who own Spandana Sphoorty shares on the record date are eligible for the rights issue. The record date was July 24, 2025. If you held shares then, you'll receive RS in your DMAT account automatically. The rights issue price is set at Rs 230 per share, typically lower than the current market price. The ratio for every 41 shares you own. You can apply for 10 new shares at the special price. The application window is August 1st to August 11th, 2025. Miss the deadline, and you lose the chance to buy at a discount. You can apply for your full entitlement, buy more REs, or sell your REs if you don't want to participate. The key facts: issuer, Spandana Sphoorty rights issue price is Rs 230 per share. Ratio is 10:41, which is 10 rights equity shares for every 41 fully paid up equity shares held on the record date. Record date, July 24. Rights issue. Open date is August 1st, 2025, and the closing date is August 11th, 2025. Mark your calendar and decide your strategy. With these details, you're ready to take action. Next, let's see how to apply. Applying for the rights issue is simple, especially online. The easiest way is through your bank's net banking portal using ASBA, application supported by blocked amount. Log in, find the IPO rights issue section, select Spandana Sphoorty, and enter your DMAT details and the number of shares. The application amount is blocked in your account, not debited, until shares are allotted. You'll get a confirmation and application number. Keep it for your records. Alternatively, use the registrar's website, KFin Technologies, and pay via UPI. If you need help, your stockbroker can guide you. Double-check all details before submitting. The process is secure and takes just a few minutes. Now, let's consider if you should invest. Should you participate in the rights issue? The main benefit: buying shares at a discount, potentially boosting your returns if the company grows. Participating helps you avoid dilution of your ownership stake. The funds raised will strengthen Spandana Sphoorty's financial position. But remember, investing more increases your exposure to one stock. There are risks if the company underperforms. The stock price could fall below the rights issue price after allotment. Assess your risk appetite and do your research. Read the letter of offer for details. Consult a financial advisor if you're unsure. The rights issue is an opportunity, but only if it fits your goals and risk profile. Make an informed decision that's right for you.